What's up, guys? So we did our CCTV installation here. This is the first camera, as you can see, very beautifully done. We did some cutting there, so eventually we are going to close up the cutting. This camera will take care of everything here. Let's go, baby. Then we have another camera at the top there, and then there's another camera to here. The work of these cameras are to make sure that they take care of everything that goes around here. And then anybody who uses the bar, the camera will actually capture it. Come on, let me show you the last camera. You can pass it. All right, let's go. See, I want to show you the last camera. Now the last camera is actually up there. The work of the camera is to basically watch the car park. That's it, the one up there. So the work of this camera is to watch the car park and make sure that anything that happens at the car park is actually captures it. If you have any CCTV job, make sure you give us a call. This is Achimota Golf Park, and we are doing our installation. I'm sure by close of day today, everything will be solid. We're ready to show you our work. Call us now.